Ngut ki Samla Kynthei, kila Mynsaw Jur hadian besya Tynrah Kawei ke kali Maruti, hajan giat tu, hakapor kumba nyaw sanpo PM. Ki Samla ki ba Mynsaw, kidei ke Stephanie Shadam arpu arsnem, bat kadari tingen, ponduk hei arposnem, lapha kloye ki sha civil hospital, hindre namar ke ji Mynsaw ke bajur, lapin kitno ki sha ICU ke Nazareth Hospital. Nongñiah ke kali ML Not Sanje, Sau Khandai Wain Rio, Uparman M Sangma, Ula Sha atas balapin shisha bola di gian. Kakali kabla Sha Rakno Sha Maukunro Outpost, par kipulin kilas dang ya kendon an bersya yau. Kani ke jingjia kala jia ha ke juk kamien, ba ke skul ba ke penlong ya ke freshers meet bat ke DJ night.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount the larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application to the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).